So we have the hole punch cut out on the top. When I head over to the music app and play a song, you should see the notification at the top. Also, when I plug in my phone to the charger, you should see the notification at the top. When someone sends me a message, it should also display. I can press it down to view more, and I can also click to go to the app. So in this video, I will show you how to set up the dynamic island feature you get on the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max on your Android device. The interface might look different on your phone, but if you follow up the process step by step, you should have this working on your device. So the first thing you want to do is to go to my website, and you'll find a download link there. So I'll go to my website and you click on this Dynamic Sport app. I'll place the link in the description below. This will take you to the app on the Google Play Store. So the app we'll be using is Dynamic Sport. So I will install this app right now. So when you finish installing the app, you will want to open the app for the first time. Click on next. So what you want to do here is to allow the app all necessary permissions to your phone. So the first thing is to select the apps you want the phone to work on. So you want to select apps that receive a lot of notification, like social media apps, music app, Gmail, and the likes. So after that, what you do next is to set notification access. So you click on this, then you go to Dynamic Sport. Anywhere you see Dynamic Sport on your phone, then you click on allow notification access. Click on I'm aware of the possible risks and assume all possible consequences voluntarily. Then you click on OK. The app is safe, so you shouldn't be worried about any danger. Alright, so I'll head over to the app again, and then next, draw on screen. So you click on this, click on next, then you go to downloaded apps. At times it can be apps on your phone. Click on this and you click on. Again, there's no danger with the app. You click on OK. So now you click on done. Now the first thing you want to do when you enter the app is go to notification, then go to system events, and when phone is charging, you enable this. So when I plug in my phone right now, so it should display the notification at the top right here. You can see that. You see the notification at the top right here. So when I go to my music app and I play a song, you see the notification here. You can click to view. You can change the songs, pause, play, and you can click to go back. You can click to view, click to go back. I can click on the app to go to the app. So that is just it. When I receive notification as well, it should pop up at the top right here. So whenever I receive a notification like this, I can click on it, leave out of it, click on it again, and it should show all of the necessary details right here. So that is how to enable the dynamic islander on your smartphone. And one thing about this app, that it is also customizable. You can customize it the way you want, unlike the iPhone 14 Pro and the Pro Max. So what you can do here is go to appearance and go to the positions. You can reposition this. For example, position horizontally. If you don't like the position, you want to move it up or you want to move it down. You want to move it to the sideways, you can take this to the right or you can take it to the left. But I want to place it on the center, so I'll go with 0 pixels. And if you want to move vertically as well, you can move it vertically as well. If you want to resize it horizontally, I can decide to increase the brightness. So that is just it. And you want to resize it vertically also, you can increase it vertically. I think the vertical is okay. So you can customize your app the way you want. So you have to start displaying anytime you receive notifications. So that's just how to enable the dynamic app on your phone. If you have any question, comment below. I promise to reply to all questions. If you find this video helpful, smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.